Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I hope everyone is doing well tonight. So I just wanted to pop on real quick and show y'all that I have been busy, y'all. Yeah, not too busy because I did have to work today, but I popped on to show you that I have started doing the inventory with the inventory app. So these are just a few of the things that I have put in there. All of my face gems. Alright, I have put those in that inventory, and I'm going to pop a pic up here for you in just a minute. All of my men's shave creams, my power sticks, body sprays, I put all of those in. And my Barbasol shaving creams are in. I started with my men's products because I don't have a whole lot of those. And as y'all can see, no bonnet tonight, y'all. I got my little ponytail going on right now, you know, because I just came in here and got busy, y'all. Y'all know I got to get these baskets made for the events coming up. But here's what it looks like. I've put it in. This is the free version. I'm going to purchase the full app, but I wanted to test the free version out first and see what it looks like. And in the free version, you can't use the pricing feature. So that's why, one of the reasons why I want to do the purchase version. So I'm going to get that one. But this is what it looks like. So at the bottom here, you'll notice I have the power sticks. I also added my face gems, the Hello Kitty shower speakers, a journal set, or the journal sets, as well as the Barbasol and the Barbie hand creams. And where it says ounces, those are actually the amounts I have on hand, not the ounces, but I put it in that way because you don't have that feature. So I'm enjoying it. I think it's a good app. I really do like it. It's going to take me a while to get all this inventory in there. I don't think I'm going to put, I'm looking at all the inventory, y'all, if you wonder why my eyes are going all over the place. I don't think I'm going to put all the toys in there. Because they're going out the door. I'm going to put those in concepts and get them out the door. I'm going to use these other items in concepts too, but right now I'm going to focus on my bath and body products and things like the face gems, products like this that I can get in there pretty easily. My Bath and Body Works products, my colognes from Rainbow, and Victoria's Secrets, and so on and so forth. I'm gonna put all of those in there, and then see what we come up with. So just a big shout out to Miss Nicole at Divine Creations. I appreciate you for sharing that with us. I'll be going back to watch some more of that video, because there are some things in there that I'm looking like, okay, I missed something, but I'm gonna get it because I definitely want to do this and get better organized. So that is what I'm up to tonight here in the Crafty Corner. Make sure you tune in tomorrow night in the Crafty Corner at 7 p.m. y'all. We are going to have a Christmas order for a 9-year-old girl, and we're going to build that basket tomorrow. And I've created the box for it already, and that it will be a surprise because the box is really nice. But we're going to build that basket together. This girl is a girly girl, so y'all put your thinking caps on, and we're going to go through some of this inventory and get this girly girl a girly girl basket. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow night at 7 o'clock here in the Crafty Corner. Y'all get busy, get organized, make those videos, get out there. We want to see you. Subscribe to each other, and most importantly, be blessed. But most importantly, y'all, be a blessing. Bye-bye.